Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to make private photos on Facebook. It's really easy, so let's just jump right into it. So the very first thing you're going to do is just open your Facebook app, and then you're going to click on your profile picture to go to your profile, and then scroll down and go into your photos. And then we'll go to uploads. And now we're just going to find the photo that we want to make private. So I'll click on this one. And then the top right, we hit the three dots. And then we hit edit privacy. And then right here, we can edit who can see our post. So it can either be public, friends can see it, or we can make a list. Or if you want to make it completely private, you can hit only me. And that will make it so that you are the only one that can see it. So I'm going to hit that and go back. And now I'm the only one that can see this picture on my Facebook account. It is private from everyone else. And you can just go through all your pictures and do that individually to any of the ones that you want to be privated. So I hope that helped you guys out. If it did, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions or any topics that you'd like us to cover in future videos, you can leave those suggestions in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It's much appreciated, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.